Welcome to Literacy Lessons with Mrs. K. I am so glad you're here today. Today, we're going to learn all about the letter L. Can you say L? Good job! All letters come in pairs. There is a capital letter and a lowercase letter. Even though some letters can look different, they can still be the same letter. L says L like lizard and L like lion. Can you say L? Good job. Let's look at some words that begin with the letter L. Lemon, ladybug, leaf, log. Do you hear the L sound? Let's write the capital letter L together. Start at the top, big line down, little line across the bottom. Let's write lowercase l. Start at the top, big line down. Good job. L is for lion and L is for leaf. L is a letter that brings relief. Light and lovely, come sing with me. L is everything it can be. L, 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 lively and bright. L, 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 shining with delight. With a cheer and a laugh, let it ring. L is such a wonderful thing. Let's remember what we learned today. L is for lemon, ladybug, leaf, and log. Good job, friends. See you next time for another literacy lesson with Mrs. K.